What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple kaftan dress. So let's get started. For this kaftan dress, I folded my fabric into 4 places and then I took the length of the dress. I took 51 inch and added 2 inches to it, so you can take your desired length measurement. And then the next thing, I'll take 12 inches from the top. I'll take 13 inches. And then on this line, I'll take my hip measurements. Hip measurements, you divide your hip measurement by 4. So I have 12 inches. And then I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. And then for the top part, I'm going to be using 3 inches for the neckline. And then 2 inches for the back and 4 inches for the front. So I'll mark a curved line here and then mark a curved line here. And then for the shoulders, for the shoulder measurement, I'll be using 8 inches, which is half of my shoulder measurement. So divide your shoulder measurement by 2 inches. And then on this line, I'm going to take 1 inch. And then I'm going to draw a slant line down to this place. And then I'll make a curved line here. And then draw this line down to the end of the dress. And then I'll cut the back neckline first. And then cut the slant. Then open this part. And then take the front part and then you cut the front neckline. With the right sides facing each other, go ahead and join both shoulders together. With your sewing machine, you go sew the shoulders together. You do it on both sides. After joining the shoulders together, you hem your sleeve. Both sleeve, fold them and hem them. And then you join the side of your dress. With the armhole together, you join the sides of the dress. And then you hem your dress. You hem the bottom of your dress. I've joined both sides of the dress. And then I'll hem the bottom. The next thing is the last thing is to hem the neckline. So you just go ahead, starting from the back, you fold the neckline like this, and then you hem it around, you sew it around. And that's it for this kaftan dress. Here's the kaftan dress. It's very easy and simple to make, and you can use any type of fabric to make this design. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you for watching.